Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your Instagram profile link, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you guys to share your Instagram profile link on WhatsApp. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after opening Instagram, click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your Instagram profile, click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, where it says QR code, click on it. Now you can also take a screenshot of this QR code, send it on your WhatsApp, and the person can scan it and follow you. But if you don't want to do that, what you can do is click on the arrow button pointing at the top right corner. And once it shows you this, what you can do is from over here you can choose your WhatsApp. So scroll until you see WhatsApp. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, your WhatsApp will open up. From over here, choose the person to whom you want to send it to. Once you choose it, click on next, click on send, and basically your Instagram profile will be sent to the person or the group which you choose on WhatsApp. And you can also write anything you want and click on send, and that text is also going to be added along with your Instagram account's link. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys on my future video. As I said, you can also take a screenshot over here and send it to anybody you want. If they scan it, it's going to take it to your Instagram profile as well. That's also the way if you don't want to share the link. So enjoy. Bye bye.